Hi guys, I am here to tell you about the 5K high definition trail cam. This thing is amazing. Now it comes with your SD card reader. It can do little cards, big cards. It also comes with your power cord and your Type-C cord. Now this thing can do all types of things. Like I say, you can do time lapse. It's got night vision. It can do motion sensor, which is what we're going to turn on right now, and we're going to put it on out here so maybe we'll catch an animal going by. It has all types of settings to go through, so you can choose the picture quality of, you can do over 60 megapixels for your photos, which is really high definition. You can do 720, 1080, 2.7, 4K, or 2K, 4K, and 5K now, which is what we're going to try today on the video section. So we're going to try to get some high motion videos, but there's all types of settings in here that you can do. Like I said, time lapse, you can set it to where it'll take a picture every hour and so forth and so on. Very, very neat. Let's go ahead and get it set up. And look, you can barely see it on the camera because it's so camouflaged. But yeah, so it takes 8 AA batteries, which I just showed you in the video. And whenever you turn it on, just go ahead and press on. It will come on and it is ready to go. Go ahead and close it up. Now what's cool about it is it also has a little spot over here for a lock, so if you want to put a lock on it. It also takes a passcode, so you can set up a passcode just in case, Anyways, it's a very, very cool device. Very, very neat and blends in with the environment. So let's give it a little bit and see if we can catch anything on film.